In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an Airtable base. This is a handy skill if you're managing multiple projects or need to maintain different versions of your work. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you understand each phase clearly. First, head to your Airtable homepage. This is where you can access all your projects and manage every aspect of your data storage needs. It's a hub, a one-stop shop for handling anything Airtable related. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the homepage, you can see your workspaces laid out in front of you. These workspaces act as collections for your tables, essentially serving as folders for your projects. Choose the specific workspace where the base you want to duplicate is located. Selecting the right workspace ensures you're working with the correct base, which is crucial for maintaining organizational integrity. Next, you'll notice 3 dots next to the name of each workspace. These dots represent additional options you can access. Click on these dots for the workspace that contains the base you wish to duplicate. This will open up a drop-down menu, giving you various options for managing your workspace. Within this menu, you'll find the Duplicate option. Clicking here will initiate the duplication process, making an exact copy of your base. This action essentially allows you to preserve the original while creating an editable copy. It's particularly useful for creating templates or backups. Now that you've clicked Duplicate, you're presented with an option to rename your new duplicate. This step is key because naming your bases clearly and descriptively helps keep your projects organized and easier to navigate in the future. Take a moment to think of a name that will help you identify this duplicate easily. Finally, after you've decided on a name, click on Duplicate App to complete the process. And just like that, your new base is ready to go. This newly created base will contain all the tables, fields, and data of the original, allowing you to work seamlessly without altering the initial version. Remember, duplicating bases is a strategic way to streamline your workflow and maintain systematic order across your projects. It's all about making sure you have the flexibility to innovate while safeguarding your original work. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Keep honing these skills, and soon you'll be an Airtable pro. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks. Happy Airtabling!